friends, today you worked on recognizing letters and saying their names. Today's activity you will get with a partner, and you are going to mix all of the name cards that are cut up by each letter, the ones that are in your name and the ones that are in their names. You can mix them all together. Then you will take one card at a time. You will say the letter's name. If that letter is in your name, you need to try to think of a food and say the food that starts with that letter. So for example, my name is Miss Smith. If I drew out a letter S, S is in my name in Smith. So I would need to say a food. I might say squash. And then you're going to try to make your name by pulling one at a time a card until you can spell your full name. Have fun!